It's being alleged that girl's girl, Markie Markland, has been arrested by the FBI.
Now, so we know internet sensation by the name of Markie Markland.
Me not have no energy for the banger wrong. Anything when you hear about me are true. Anything them say about me is true.
He is a flamboyant influencer that is known for, showing his lavish lifestyle and just, giving advice to the ladies and how them can be a good girl and get the money and get the bag and all of these things. Well, as the year go kickstart, 2026 start, news surface online.
It's being alleged that girl's girl, Markie Markland, has been arrested by the FBI.
But let me go give you the full information according to the online reports. So according to a site by the name of Times of India, it says online records show that a man by the name of Jovian Markland, also known as Markie Markland, was taken into custody in New York. Some posts claimed Markie was stopped while trying to board a flight to Brazil. These details are not confirmed by officials, but the arrest itself appears in official systems. The inmate record lists a code that points to a fugitive or extradition-related matter, not a detailed charge. You don't know what to believe nowadays because it's just kind of confusing. So I think everybody just await on Markie's official statement and then we can try to be the judge of that. But burritos, what are your thoughts?